In a small village in Sudan, a curious man named Ahmad found himself at a crossroads in life, seeking answers to the growing chaos that had struck his homeland. Driven by his inquisitive nature, Ahmad often wandered into the nearby hills, where he found solace among nature. One sunny afternoon, while strolling along a familiar path, he stumbled upon a wise old goat known to many in the village, simply as Bakr. While some saw Bakr as just another animal, those in the know whispered tales of his unparalleled wisdom. Overcome by a surge of frustration and curiosity, Ahmad sat beside the goat and voiced the question that troubled his mind. Bakr, who set the flame of war ablaze in Sudan? Who is to blame for this turmoil? To Ahmad's astonishment, Bakr turned to him, eyes deep with maturity and understanding. In an almost mystical manner, Bakr began to speak. The embers of war were kindled by those who value power and wealth over peace. A complex web was woven by external influences seeking their own gain. It is said that plans were set in motion by foreign powers like those in the Emirates, who sought to secure their interests through propelling a puppet government into power in Sudan. In exchange, they promised generous returns such as the management of Al-Fashaga project for a century, the Abu Amama port, and the glittering lure of gold. Ahmad listened intently as Bakr continued, but the roots of this conflict dig deeper into the actions of local factions. The notorious group known as the Phantoms orchestrated moves behind the scenes, igniting the flames of dissent and supporting armed militias. Where the shadow of greed looms, peace rarely stands a chance, and still they continue to nurture discord. A swirl of emotions engulfed Ahmad: anger, despair, but also a sense of clarity. He realized the intricate dance of politics and profit dissecting his homeland. His heart ached for Sudan, a fertile ground now torn by promises and betrayals that fed the interests of a select few. Standing up, Ahmad thanked Bakr, who had already returned to grazing quietly.